Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best tips and tricks for achieving financial success. Today, we have a special episode for you, where we will delve into the secrets that can help you reach your financial goals. Financial success is a dream for many, but only a few are able to turn it into a reality. Today, we'll uncover the hidden secrets that can pave the way for your financial prosperity. So, grab a pen and paper and get ready to take notes. The first secret to financial success is having clear financial goals. Take a moment to ask yourself, what do I want to achieve financially? Whether it's buying a house, starting a business, or retiring comfortably, defining your goals is crucial. It acts as a compass that will guide you towards making informed decisions. Picture yourself a few years from now. What does financial success look like to you? Is it the feeling of security that comes with owning your dream home, or the freedom to travel the world without worrying about money? By envisioning your financial goals, you give yourself a clear destination to strive for. Once you have identified your goals, break them down into smaller, actionable steps. For example, if your goal is to buy a house, determine how much you need for a down payment, research mortgage options, and establish a savings plan. Setting specific targets helps you stay focused and motivated on your financial journey. Visualization is a powerful tool that can reinforce your commitment to achieving financial success. Consider creating a vision board, a visual representation of your goals and aspirations. Include images, quotes, and reminders of what you're working towards. Display it in a prominent place to remind yourself of your financial dreams daily. Remember, your financial goals should be smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For instance, instead of saying, "I want to save money," set a goal like, "I will save $10,000 for a down payment on a house in 3 years." This specificity allows you to track your progress and celebrate milestones along the way. Remember, by setting clear financial goals, you are paving the way for your financial success. Take the time to identify your dreams, break them down into actionable steps, visualize your future, and make your goals smart. With a clear destination in mind, you'll have the guidance you need to make informed financial decisions and work towards a brighter future. Secret number 2 is budgeting and saving. Financial success is not just about earning money, it's about managing it wisely. Creating a budget allows you to track your income and expenses, giving you a clear picture of where your money is going. By identifying areas where you can cut back, you can increase your savings and build a solid financial foundation. Let's face it, budgeting can sometimes seem intimidating or tedious, but it is an essential tool for financial success. Start by gathering your financial information, including income statements, bills, and bank statements. This will give you a comprehensive overview of your financial situation. Next, it's time to create a budget. Begin by categorizing your expenses into different categories such as housing, transportation, food, entertainment, and savings. Be thorough and include even the smallest expenses. This will help you identify areas where you can make adjustments and save more money. Now, track your income and expenses. You can use a simple spreadsheet or even a budgeting app to do this. Make sure to record every transaction accurately and regularly update your budget. This will give you a clear understanding of how much money is coming in and where it is going. One crucial aspect of budgeting is identifying discretionary expenses. These are the non-essential items that you can potentially cut back on. Review your spending habits and determine where you can make adjustments. It could be reducing dining out, cutting back on subscriptions, or finding cheaper alternatives for certain purchases. As you trim unnecessary expenses, prioritize saving. Building an emergency fund should be your first financial goal. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This will provide a safety net during unexpected situations and help you avoid relying on credit cards or loans. Another helpful tip is to automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a separate savings account. This way, you'll consistently save without even thinking about it. It's a great way to stay disciplined and ensure your savings grow steadily. Finally, align your budget with your financial goals. As you allocate your income, designate specific amounts towards achieving your goals, whether it's saving for a down payment, paying off debt, or investing in your retirement. By incorporating these goals into your budget, you make them a priority and increase your chances of success. Remember, budgeting and saving are essential pillars of financial success. By creating a budget, tracking your expenses, cutting back on discretionary spending, and automating your savings, you can take control of your finances and make significant progress towards your goals. Now, let's move on to secret number 3, investing wisely. Investing is a powerful tool that can help you grow your wealth over time. Whether it's stocks, real estate, or mutual funds, understanding different investment options and finding the right ones for you is essential. Remember, it's important to diversify your portfolio and seek professional advice if needed. Investing wisely can be intimidating for some, but it doesn't have to be. Let's break it down into manageable steps to help you make informed investment decisions. Step 1 is to educate yourself about different investment options. Read books, attend seminars, and explore reputable online resources. Understanding the basics of investing, such as risk and return, diversification, and time horizon, will empower you to make smarter choices. Next, define your investment goals. Are you investing for retirement, purchasing a home, or funding your child's education? Your goals will determine your investment strategy and time horizon. It's crucial to align your investments with your long-term objectives. One of the golden rules of investing is diversification. It means spreading your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, to reduce risk. Diversification helps protect your portfolio from significant losses if one investment performs poorly. When considering specific investments, conduct thorough research. Look into the historical performance, management team, and the underlying assets. Analyze the risks and potential returns associated with each investment opportunity before making any decisions. Once you've made your investments, it's crucial to regularly monitor and adjust your portfolio. Keep up with market trends and economic news that may impact your investments. If needed, consult with a financial advisor who can provide guidance and help you make informed adjustments. Dollar cost averaging is another effective investment strategy. Instead of trying to time the market, invest a fixed amount regularly, regardless of market conditions. This approach allows you to buy more shares when prices are low and fewer shares when prices are high, potentially lowering your average cost. Finally, it's crucial to stay disciplined and avoid emotional investing. Market fluctuations can be unnerving, but making impulsive decisions based on fear or greed can harm your long-term investment performance. Stick to your investment plan and focus on your goals. Investing wisely is a key ingredient in achieving financial success. By educating yourself, setting clear investment goals, diversifying your portfolio, conducting research, monitoring your investments, and staying disciplined, you can build a solid foundation for long-term wealth growth. Secret number 4 is continuous learning. Financial education is an ongoing process. Stay updated with the latest trends, strategies, and investment opportunities. Attend seminars, read books, and follow reputable financial experts to expand your knowledge. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make informed financial decisions. Lifelong learning is a fundamental aspect of achieving financial success. Let's explore some effective ways to continuously expand your financial knowledge and stay ahead of the game. Step 1 is to build a personal finance library. Invest in books and resources that cover a wide range of financial topics, from budgeting and investing to entrepreneurship and wealth management. Reading books written by reputable authors can provide valuable insights and different perspectives on financial matters. In addition to books, leverage the power of the internet. There are numerous online resources, blogs, and financial websites dedicated to providing financial education. Explore trusted websites that offer reliable information on personal finance, investing, and money management. Attend financial seminars and workshops. Many organizations and institutions offer educational events on various financial topics. These seminars provide opportunities to learn directly from experts, ask questions, and network with like-minded individuals who share your interest in financial success. Follow financial experts and influencers. Social media platforms provide access to a wealth of information and insights from renowned financial experts. Follow experts who align with your financial goals and values. Engage with their content, join discussions, and seek advice when needed. Join financial communities and forums. Surrounding yourself with a community of individuals who share your financial aspirations can be incredibly motivating and educational. Engage in discussions, share experiences, and learn from each other's successes and challenges. Stay updated with market news and financial publications. Regularly read financial newspapers, magazines, and online publications that provide insights into market trends, economic developments, and investment opportunities. Understanding the broader economic landscape can help you make informed financial decisions. Continuous learning is the key to staying ahead in the ever-evolving world of finance. By building a personal finance library, exploring online resources, attending seminars, following financial experts, joining communities, and staying updated with market news, you equip yourself with the knowledge needed to navigate the financial landscape. Secret number 5 is building a supportive network. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals who support your financial goals can greatly contribute to your financial success. By connecting with people who have similar aspirations, you can learn from their experiences, share knowledge, and motivate each other to achieve financial milestones. Let's explore how building a supportive network can enhance your financial journey and help you achieve long-term success. Step 1 is to find a mentor. A mentor is someone who has achieved financial success and can provide guidance, advice, and support. Look for individuals who inspire you and have expertise in areas you want to excel in. Their wisdom and insights can be invaluable in your financial journey. Join financial or investment clubs. These clubs bring together individuals with a shared interest in finance and investing. Participating in club meetings and discussions can expose you to different perspectives, investment opportunities, and valuable networking connections. Surround yourself with financially minded friends. Seek out individuals who are passionate about personal finance and share similar goals. Engaging in conversations about money management, investment strategies, and financial planning can be both educational and motivating. Attend financial networking events and conferences. These events provide opportunities to meet industry professionals, financial experts, and fellow enthusiasts. Networking with individuals who have diverse experiences and knowledge can broaden your horizons and open doors to potential collaborations or partnerships. Engage in online communities and forums. There are numerous online platforms dedicated to personal finance, investing, and wealth building. Participate in discussions, ask questions, and share your own insights. These virtual communities can provide a wealth of information and support. Find an accountability partner. Choose someone you trust, preferably with similar financial goals, and hold each other accountable for making progress. Regular check-ins, sharing challenges and successes, and providing support can keep you motivated and on track towards your financial goals. Building a supportive network is a crucial element of financial success. By finding a mentor, joining clubs and communities, surrounding yourself with financially minded friends, attending networking events, and having an accountability partner, you create an ecosystem that fosters growth, learning, and mutual support. And there you have it, the 5 secrets to financial success. We've explored the importance of mindset, budgeting and saving, investing wisely, continuous learning, and building a supportive network. By implementing these secrets into your financial journey, you can pave the way for a brighter financial future. Financial education is a lifelong journey, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Our channel, Financial Education, is dedicated to providing you with valuable insights, practical tips, and expert advice to help you achieve your financial goals. From budgeting hacks to investment strategies, from debt management to wealth creation, our channel covers a wide range of topics to empower you with the knowledge and tools you need to succeed. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial destiny, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. By subscribing, you'll never miss an episode, and you'll be part of our vibrant community of like-minded individuals seeking financial success. We want to hear from you too. Leave your comments, questions, and success stories in the comment section below. Engage with our content, share your experiences, and connect with others who are on the same financial journey as you. Thank you for joining us today and for being part of the financial education community. Remember, financial success is within your reach, and with the right knowledge, mindset, and support, you can achieve extraordinary results. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep taking steps towards your financial goals. Together, let's create a future of financial abundance and freedom.